Hi guys!
Hey guys!
Welcome back!
Welcome back!
So, pupunta kami ngayon sa beach in Calatagan, Batangas. So, nakita lang namin siya sa Facebook and then nag-book kami kaagad. Kasi parang ang daming nag-book and January pala nagpa-book na kami. Para sure. Bukas, first wedding anniversary na namin ni Romel. Kaya kami mag-celebrate and mag-staycation at the same time. And si Maxine, sobrang excited niya kagabi pa. Right now, nasa SM kami para, since meron pang bibilhin si Romel, like, yung food namin, pizza, donut, Krispy Kreme, and sabi ko wine. Andito na kami sa Barangay Hukay.
Diretso pa daw.
Diretso pa?
Dito
So,
tayo.
let's eat! Naantay namin.
Si Dodo!
Reply ko sa yung parking namin.
Mami, si Dodo!
Where's Daddy?
Yeah. Mami, si Dodo!
Yeah?
Si
Have to go.
there.
It's there! So, from upstairs, yan, merong kainan dito. And then, ito yung kitchen. So, complete sila sa utensils. Ayan, wooden. So, nice. Daddy! So, yan yung mga... Daddy, complete sila sa utensils. Ang cute. May dalawang picture. Since dalawa kasi pwede mag-occupy dito. Dalawang room yung pwedeng gamitin. So, ayan pala, Daddy, meron pala sariling dalawa. This is self-cleaning kitchen. May panghugas na rin. Wala nang kailangan pang bitbitin. And pwede naman din magluto. Meron lang silang fee na 250 pesos. Yan. So, ito yung bathroom. Malaki yung bathroom nila. And yes, malinis. Yeah, you have to change your clothes first. Yung bata, excited na talaga mag-swimming. Oh no. Look, it's too hot. Ayan. Sobrang ganda rito, guys. Yan. So, nagbaon lang kami for our lunch. Yung donut. Ay, this is donut, Krispy Kreme, and then pizza from SNR.
Donut?
Yeah, we're going to eat donut before mag-swim, ha? Kasi it's too hot. Pag grabe, sobrang tirik yung araw. Pero ang ganda dito, promise. Ang ganda. Kaya pa. Sit here first.
I don't see.
I don't like to sit.
Yeah.
Let's eat na.
This is a donut.
What's good?
Na yung hot niya.
Shot mo sa kanya. Look, mommy, zero.
Grabe, napakaganda naman.
Milk.
Kanina.
Food.
And Daddy is cooking na for our dinner. What are you going to cook?
Hindi na magluluto, ganyan na lang siya.
Ano nga po? Ano po gawin mo?
Ayun na.
Go there.
Ha?
Ayun.
Ano natuin mo?
Ano?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw. Coleslaw pasta.
Okay, and liempo.
After ito mag-ihaw na.
Mommy,
Yes?
can I go there?
Yeah, sure.
Look right here.
Oh, sige po. Just be careful. Bakit? Hi, are you playing with the dog?
That's my one.
Play kayo? Jesus! So, mag-grill na si Daddy ng liempo. Yes. So, madilim na. And high tide na. Grabe. Lakas na ano.
Hindi ko sure kung masarap to.
Ano kaya yun?
Ano gumawa nito?
Sarap ng luto ni Daddy. Thank you. Good morning. Ganda guys. Pa-sunrise na. Happy anniversary.
Chocolate? May chocolate ka mong binili?
Marlon.
Meron kang dala? Anong dala?
Coffee.
Coffee meron.
Happy anniversary to my big boy. I want a big boy. Give me a big boy.
Hi, good morning. Meron po tayong Kulubin na bibigyan ngayon ng pera.
Visit ka.
Ito po. Sabi niyo ng tubig oh. Ha? Siguro. Hindi dito. Lamig ng tubig. Lamig. Linom ng tubig na yun. Sabi.
Good morning, my love. Good morning. Good morning, love. Good morning.
Wait. What's that?
What's that?
Look at
Oh, look for a fish. Come on.
Let's just see.
You have to find it.
It's darling.
Over there.
There.
It's there. Oh,
There.
here.
What's it doing? What's it doing, Mom?
You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.